Subscribe to Susan Bassi and go watch the full video on her channel.
They have private security. They were about to go hands-on that guy.
Okay.
Do you live in Los Gatos?
No, I'm from Northern California.
I have a YouTube channel. You can see this on YouTube. My name is Susan Bassi.
So this is phony, right?
No, it's not phony.
What's going on?
We were walking down the street because we're going to the back because there's a body buried in the back that they're exhuming for a homicide investigation.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's in the alley. We're on our way back there, and we stopped by, and this private security guards put gloves on like they were going to go hands-on that guy, and I happen to be investigating. Oh, this cop's filming me right now, so I got to film him. He's filming on his...
Because that is a threat. So I'm going to put my hands on you.
Myself because I use different words.
I'm going to put you in handcuffs and I'm going to drive you down to the emergency psychiatric services center.
Where's your gun?
If you fight,
You're threatening
we're
me.
going to
You
defend
might as well
ourselves.
do that.
Okay? Put your hands behind your back.
Are you getting this?
Put your hands behind
Got
your
it.
Did you film all of this?
Yep.
Did you see how they're threatening me and trying to put me away from doing nothing? How am I a threat? Can you not touch me? Can you not touch me?
Exactly. You don't want this to go this way. Put your hand behind your back.
That's what I'm saying. How am I a threat? You have to explain to me why you're doing this. Just like the fucking first time this happened. Why am I calm now? This isn't legal. Why can't I calm down? Who am I now? Can you even tell the difference? Why did this guy's hair A go to the top? Can you explain? This is not even how you cuff someone in handcuffs. Do I have to reteach you guys how to handcuff someone? You know, it's trying to take lesson 5. Take lesson.
Finding Susan Bassi in Sacramento at a courthouse is one of my proudest moments since I began doing this. Thank you all for tuning in. Go say hello to Susan for San Joaquin. I'll see you over there.